So this is my birthday month and it was like a roller coaster ride, but I have a haul with you guys. So I'm going to share some are PR products, some are bought by me, so I'll tell you that. But it since मेरा birthday Valentine's से बहुत close होता है, so I wanted to buy all those heart shaped cute things. So let me just show you. Okay, so first Nykaa पिंक फ्राइडे सेल से मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ बाय नहीं किया. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू. द रीज़न इज़ I have a bucket, actually two bucket full of products lying around, and it's just too overwhelming. Like I don't want to buy anything, but since it was my birthday, so I got this. This is by Arch Rhythm, buy one get one. So let me just show you. This is, my god, this is so real, like ethereal, like so beautiful. Look at this. Is a highlighter, and when I swatch it and applied it, I was like, this is so unique. I have a palette full of holographic highlighter. I'll definitely recommend you that palette, but if you want just one shade, it's a lilac which has green hue to it. It's a very unique shade. You have to see it in person, like it's so pretty and I don't regret it at all. Then since it was Valentine's Day, I got myself this bow shape cutesy Korean blushes, but these are flop. I don't like it. The colors are so pale. Let me just show you. So yeah, this is the color. इसमें ना shimmer particles है, नहीं तो मैं इसको as a powder use कर लेती, but I don't know, it's a regret. I don't like it. It's just going to sit in my vanity. I know. This is also a very light shade. At least इसमें shimmers नहीं है, तो I will use it as a peach powder. Otherwise it's a useless product. So it just looks cute. You know, Valentine's aesthetic के लिए perfect है, but other than that no it has no use in my opinion. Then I have this heart shaped one which was looking brown on Amazon website, and in person it's very pale color. Again, I'm going to use this as a peach powder. So this time I was pissed. I was like कि दो product ऐसे आ चुके हैं, and on Amazon it was not looking this pale. So I called Amazon and told them that ये बिल्कुल अलग दिख रहा है website से, and they refunded me for this one. बाकी का मैं complain करना भूल गई थी. So yeah, I wish I have complained for all three. And then what happened, since it was Valentine's Day, I thought of getting myself a heart shaped lipstick. So this was looking a blue base pink on Amazon, and I was expecting that कि एक unique gloss हो जाएगा मेरे पास. It is अजीब सा red, like it's let me just show you. Of course I can define the undertone. Let me just show you. So that's the color, kind of on an orange side. Let me just show you. Totally different. कहाँ blue base होता है और कहाँ ये red होता है. Since it's not that pigmented, it's not that visible, but I don't like the color. I think मैं इसे hardly use करने वाली हूँ. And that blue base pink came out to be orangey red. This shade is candy pink. Even the packaging, it's looking a true red, but it's not. So I regret it. Then let me just show you. So then I got this PR. This is from Wishcare, and ये मैं परचेज करने का बहुत सोचती थी. अल्टीमेटली आई फॉरगॉट, क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत सारे लिप बाम हैं, मे बी 100. लेट मी जस्ट काउंट वन डे. सो देन आई केम टू रियलाइज कि ये मेरे PR में है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. आई लव इट. आई जस्ट totally love it. I'll highly recommend you that one. Then मुझे ये lip balm इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा that I got 2 more shades. So ये मैंने last month purchase किया था. मैंने इसे इतना यूज़ किया है कि ये almost half हो चुका है. We can say 40%. I think it's gone because मैं इसे इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ करी थी. Then I got one more. So the one I have caramel, then I bought vanilla, and then I bought berry blush. These shades are so good. Vanilla one is obviously a transparent one. ये मैं night time में use कर रही हूँ. And these two, I mean, they are so good. The color is good. The pigmentation is decent. It's light only, and the pigmentation is on not that much pigmented, but they are pigmented and the shades are beautiful. I'll try to swatch them. So yeah, the berry shade you can see, and the cocoa shade, the caramel shade, these are decently pigmented. Then I bought another shade of this March Candlelish lip gloss because I'm obsessed. But then later I realized ki Valentine's Day पर I would say after 1 o'clock or 1 p.m. it was very 1 a.m. it was very discounted, so मुझे और सस्ता मिल सकता था. And every this lip gloss was retailing for 160 something rupees after 1 a.m. I can say. That's a shade, another mauvish kind of shade. मुझे पता है मैं berry tones या इस तरह के ही lip gloss यूज़ करूँगी, so I bought this shade on purpose. मुझे ऐसा कोई product नहीं लेना जो मैं यूज़ ना करूँ. That's the shade, very beautiful mauvish pink, but ये बहुत कम pigment है इनमें. That's a different story. Then I got this in PR. This is a new viral launch by Maybelline. I don't get the hype. I don't get the hype. I know it's a PR product, and last time जब उनने मुझे PR भेजा था, I was so happy. The skin tint I used to use every day. I don't know, this is मैंने शायद सिर्फ hand swatch किया, so I should not judge that much. But when so that's the shade. You can see I don't think so it's going to suit a lot of Indian skin tone. And I blended, so there are shimmer particles. I don't think so on camera you can see it, so I'll try to insert some sunlight shots maybe. But मैंने जब इसे use किया था on my hands and I just blended it, the shimmers were there, so yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in this. Then I got these two lipstick. These are by Swiss Beauty Select. ये भी मैंने recently buy की थी because of this all birthday Valentine situation. Let me just show you. These are a hybrid between a lip balm and a lipstick, and these are beautiful. I have two shades, Supreme Nude and then I have Ultra Nude. Supreme Nude, Ultra Nude. I'll swatch it on my lips for win one of my video. Then I just love it, but it's like a lip balm only. Yeah, it has pigmentation which is very low. You have to apply it again and again to get the color. And this is 1 gram of product for so expensive. It's so expensive, and it's like a lip balm. It's like a luxury lip balm which has a little bit more pigment. So I hope you get my point. Okay, so I know lip balm बहुत चल रहे हैं, but these glossy lipstick, either they should have a lot of pigment to call them a lipstick, in my opinion. What do you guys think? Then I had this is Laneige Dew. So मैं जब भी वो gummy bear shade देखती हूँ, because that's the kind of shade I love, मुझे मन करता है लेने का, but then I see the price point and I'm like not justified. But then this is a perfect dupe of that. Okay, so this is a perfect dupe. Packaging wise is the perfect aesthetic. It's matching my aesthetic. I love lilacs, lavenders, and this is perfect. And the shade, the inner shade, like अंदर से भी ऐसे ही दिखता है. So it's a proper that gummy bear wala shade, and the formula is very hydrating, very long lasting hydration. So I just fell in love with it. The moment I saw this shade, I was like, this is so cute, so good. I love the shade, I love the formula. I will highly recommend it. Okay, so maybe the last product, this is the Swiss Beauty Select blush. जो जब मैंने ये लिप बाम जैसी लिपस्टिक ट्राई की, तो मुझे और क्यूरियोसिटी हुई. I love the lipstick, but I think it's very expensive. 200 होता तो सही रहता. Okay, then I got this blush. ये भी 400 yeah 450 का है. So this is my latest obsession. It's giving me bronzer vibes. आजकल ऐसे US में बहुत चले हैं. They are like bronzer plus blush. So this is a beautiful brown mauve. It's a mauve on a brown side. It looks so beautiful. Look at this This is beautiful. Like, you have to in person swatch it. First of all, the formula is so smooth to touch, but the shade stole my heart, and I want all of them. And the packaging looks cute and looks kind of mid-range. The packaging does. The formula is good. You can use this as eyeshadow. It's a very pretty shade, and you can do a monochromatic look with it. Beautiful shade. I love the shade. The formula is so long lasting, and the shade is so beautiful. Like, it's brown skin friendly, so you will love it. So yeah, that was my mini haul. Ab sach batao, like, let me just end it with these two. These are and by Skin, the Skin Story. I love this brand, so I DM them and they send it me this. So yeah, love these products also. आज मैंने ये यूज़ किए हैं. Love the shampoo, conditioner. And let me, how do I even show you? Let me show you the small basket. So this is a small basket of full of PR products, and then I have a very big basket जो कैमरे पे आएगी भी नहीं. Let me just try to show you. Yeah, so this is the another basket that I have full with products. So yeah, so it will be very difficult to talk about all these, like 2 घंटे का ही वीडियो बन जाए शायद. But last I want to show you one product that I bought. So yeah, this is by Hilary Boda. Is surprising me. Like, product quality बहुत अच्छी थी, but the brand revamp I'm loving. So this is super hold all day hair spray. मुझे लगा था इतना सा आएगा, इतना बड़ा है ये. First of all, the price point is so affordable, and I will definitely try to, you know, do a dedicated YouTube shorts or something about this, because this is first of all beautiful, and if it works, like, it's going to be a staple then in my routine whenever I'm shooting, and whenever I'm doing bridal, I will definitely use it. I was so impressed. And yeah, okay, last I want to show you, this was also a Valentine PR situation. This is by Bella Vita. So yeah, this is by Bella Vita. Then I have their face wash. These are PR stuff, and I have one hair color. I'll try to show you in next video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this whole. I hope you like this haul, and yeah, if you like, do not forget to follow me. Yeah, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.